tonight and we are headed to Lidl, our most favorite supermarket chain. If you are a resident of Europe, you are aware of this chain because it has the best prices and has most high quality range of products. So let's go with me. First lane that we have is always of fresh vegetables, ones that you use in your daily food. So I'm looking for bell pepper for myself and that's what I'm gonna buy tonight. So we have three options for chili. We have these big ones and then we have these small ones. I don't know the spice level of each, but I know the prices of each one of these, so I'm gonna just go for these. Here we have a lot of options for potatoes because Finland is a large producer of potatoes. So we have these potatoes that are for 0.69 and then we have these ones different rates, and we also have these ones in the packets. So I bought these ones the last time, but I think I'm gonna go with these ones tonight. We can buy one from here as well.
Yeah, this is a good.
This one's for 149 and this one's also for 149. I don't know the difference, but I think I'll go with these ones because these are the ones that I always go for. We have a number of cheese options, different type of cheese, walnut cheese, and then we have goat cheese. And the prices are also all mentioned here. What we are searching for essentially are just cheese slices, something like these. So we're just gonna go with these now. They have a large variety of yogurts as well, ranging from the simple ones and the ones that are flavored as well, but I'm just going to go for the simple yogurt. So I'm going towards the spice section because I need to buy a couple of sauces. One's a soy sauce and the other is a sriracha sauce, because I think sriracha is kind of really like a holistic sauce that you can use for a lot of things. We have a lot of options, like they even have coconut milk for different prices, garlic sauce, the creamy one, and then we have a chili sauce as well. Here I have sriracha, so hot chili sauce. So I think I'm gonna drop my sriracha and I'm gonna replace it with buying this sweet chili sauce because I want to try. Lidl also has a lot of options for rice, like if you want jasmine rice. Like I know a lot of East Asian people eat jasmine rice, and then we have these kind of rice as well. They look like sushi rice to me. And then we have 500 gram of basmati rice. I have not tried these ones, but I think they are worth a try if you're a basmati fan. I cannot find the usual ones today. I don't know why, but now this is compelling enough, so I think I might go for two of these. This section right here is the pasta section, and they have literally a lot of options. They have fafle. These are my favorite shapes. Fafle are for 109. Then they have fusilli. Fusilli they have in two different brands with two different price range. And then they have the good old spaghetti. They have gnocchi, and then they have gnocchi in this other brand as well. So this one's for 149 and this gnocchi is for 109. Okay, and then we have chow mein noodles as well. These are the OG chow mein noodles. These, like, you can also fry and then you can just mix with the ingredients. Then we have rice noodles. We have egg noodles. And then we have a whole lot of options for instant noodles as well. We have tried these ones quite a lot of times, so I know they taste really good. The flavors are beef, shrimp, and then we have veg flavor. So as you go from here, you see that they also have some really good options for those of you who don't like to go for white ones, like those of you who like to go for the whole wheat, whole grain pasta. They also have options for catering that customer base. And then they have lasagna strips as well. We have macaroni pasta. And these are also the whole grain pasta. We have the white macaroni pasta as well. My most favorite pasta, Alfredo pasta, that you can use for making white sauce pasta or even just the OG Alfredo. Someone who likes to have fried onion, so there's an option for you as well, crispy fried onion. And you can just like, you'll have brown fried onions here, and you can just like put a dash of brown onions in your food if you don't want to waste your time in frying. And then they have a lot of options for spices as well. This is a local brand. I always use their pepper. They have quinoa as well. They have beef stock. This is an aromatic. This is the ketchup that we go for because it's really large. We still have one. We bought it 2 months back. Then we have some of the pasta snack pots, like you can just put boiling water and then ready to eat pasta snacks. We have a lot of quinoa products. If you see, we have cream sauce, brown sauce available. We have lasagna mix available. You can just like put the whole mix in lasagna. It's ready to go. And then we come to the biscuit options. We have a lot of snacks here. We come to the dry nuts option. We have walnuts, we have almonds, and then these are their prices. We have nuts and fruits mixed together as well. They have like raisins, cranberries, almonds. I don't like cranberries, so might not be buying this one. So here are our cereal options. We have ones with chocolate and nuts, and we have ones with red berries. We have granola, and then we also have some oats here. We have one for the kids. They usually like to go with hoops and all. We have choco hoops as well. However, we are going for our OG cornflakes. I'm done with my shopping for tonight. The groceries all done, and we're just going to the checkout now. And since I'm living in a small city right now, you always bump into people you know. And today I met someone that I had met like 2 days ago, and then she's meeting me for the 3rd time. So this is something that you observe when you live in a small city. Short and sweet for tonight because it's snowing really heavily. Do let me know in the comments below which supermarket do you go for groceries. Good night. Bye bye.